Today, I'll show you how to have all of your work done for you, so you can make a lot of money online while doing virtually no work. This is a brand new online money-making strategy that works in 2022 and beyond, and it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. It has nothing to do with YouTube, and you don't need any followers. So as long as they follow all of the steps in this video tutorial, anyone can begin as a complete beginner. So if you're ready to start making money online like the other people who use this platform, prepare to pay attention to every second of this video and take massive action. Don't make excuses. Instead, get out there, do the work, and start making money. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? So this will be the website from which we will earn money. As a complete beginner, this will be the website where we can make thousands of dollars every month. And first, I'll show you how it works, what we'll be doing, and how people from all over the world are making tens of thousands of dollars every month. Then I'll show you how you can have it all done for you. And I'll show you how you can get started for free without spending any money. So make sure to stick around until the end and pay attention to each and every step. Watch every second of the video and take action as soon as it ends. Because if you don't do the work, it won't pay off and you'll lose money. If all you do is watch the video and complain in the comments section, it's not going to work and you'll walk away with nothing. However, if you want to start making money online, you must take action. Flippa is the name of the website that we will be using, and this can be found at flippa.com. According to similarweb.com, Flippa is visited on a monthly basis by over 1 million people. As a result, this website is visited by over 1 million people each month. And those guys are coming from top-tier countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, India, and Canada, implying that Flippa has a lot of potential. Flippa.com is a marketplace where people can buy and sell apps, domains, websites, online businesses, blogs, and much more. So you can sell all of your digital assets here, and you can sell them for thousands of dollars. And as you can see, while some e-commerce websites sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars, this one sells for this amount. People buy and sell these types of digital assets on a daily basis. Don't worry, you don't need to have an e-commerce business to get started. You don't have to be a web developer or app developer to start making thousands of dollars with this website, because I'll show you how to get it all done for you. So you can do this again and again and make money without doing any of the hard work yourself. You'll see exactly how it works in a moment. But first and foremost, let me show you what people are selling here. So if we go to the Browse section right here, we can see that people are selling various websites, e-commerce content for websites, various website marketplaces, and web development services. People are selling apps, domains, and various collections right here. Our websites and apps will be the two main categories on which we will concentrate our efforts. So for example, if we go to the category of websites, we will see people selling their websites for thousands of dollars. And these websites occasionally sell as options. As you can see, they begin with $1. However, after a few days, people begin bidding, and those websites sell for tens of thousands of dollars. As you can see, this one, for example, is selling for this amount. Another one is also being sold for this price, and so on. This may sound a little complicated to you, as if you don't have a website, don't know how to create one, or whatever. You don't have to, because I'll show you how to have it all done for you. Even if you are a complete novice with no prior experience, you can make money. If you click on See All Websites, we'll see all of the websites that are currently for sale on flippa.com. As an example, you can see that this person is selling their website for this amount. So it simply began bidding. There are only a few bids. It's only just getting started, and there are only a few days left, but it's already attracting buyers. On this website, you can sometimes find websites selling for nearly $1 million. And if I open up for one of these listings, for example, you'll see that sellers are profiting. So it's proven that this works and that it produces results. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. This person made thousands of dollars with Flippa.com, proving that people are making a lot of money here. This is proof that it works. That is why you should not look for reasons not to do it. It works, you just need to put in the time and effort to see results. And I'm going to show you how to get it all done for you once more. If you look around on this website, you will notice that many different people are making thousands of dollars using Flippa.com. The same is true if you want to browse through different apps. Simply navigate to the apps category to see what apps people are selling on this website. Also, you can see people selling their apps for thousands of dollars, and tens of thousands of dollars in some cases. Let's start with websites and web development because you've seen that they have a lot of potential. You can also earn hundreds of thousands of dollars. And you've seen proof that it works. Let's take a look at how you can actually get the website done for you. As a result, you can sell it on Flippa.com. Now, I just want to say it right away. Don't expect to sell your first website for $100, $20,000, or even $10,000. Don't expect that because it doesn't work that way, you might be able to sell it for a few $100s or $1,000. And that's all there is to it. However, if you repeat this process and sell at least one website every 2 days, you can still make a lot of money every month. I mean, even if you only sell one website per week, it's still a pretty good side hustle because it'll take you less than 10 minutes to complete everything. Using some of the freelancing websites is one way to get a website done for you so you can make money without doing the work yourself. And as a reminder, this is only one of the options. I'll also show you a second option that will allow you to do this without investing any money. The first option is to simply hire someone through freelancing websites such as Fiverr.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, and others. Now, the reason I strongly advise you to use Fiverr to hire someone is that it is a highly competitive website. As you can see, there are a lot of people selling their services in the Create a Website category on Fiverr.com. As a result, there are a lot of people competing for this. Sellers list their services at lower prices, provide professional services at lower prices, all in order to stand out and attract some buyers. On Fiverr.com, you can find a lot of cheap but professional services in this category. I do not like selling on Fiverr. When it comes to purchasing, however, Fiverr is far superior because it is a highly competitive website. And freelancers are willing to do professional work for less money. For example, you can get a complete website or e-commerce store for around $50, even if you pay $100 or $200. And you sell it on Flippa.com for $1,000. And that's more than $800 in pure profit for a single website. And you can repeat this process on Flippa.com and make over $500 profit each time. Before we go, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.